Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to follow an artist on Spotify. So I did a Spotify how-to video. It is how to get Spotify on your Chromebook, okay? And I taught y'all how to do that, and thank you for more than 170 views. Okay, thank you for that. Thank you for over 100 views. Okay, so this is how to follow an artist on Spotify. Okay, so I have Spotify right here. I have Spotify in the shelf right there. Um, I also have it bookmarked. So I'm just going to go to Spotify web player. That's the Spotify app. That's the Spotify web player. Okay, and I'm just going to search. You can search for an artist on Spotify. I'm just going to search for Riley Clemens. Riley Clemens. Okay, see, and I'm going to go right here to Riley Clemens, and then I'm going to save to my library. That's how you follow an artist on Spotify. Okay, so if you like this video and want to see more, then like, comment, subscribe. Okay, that was easy, wasn't it? Okay, bye.